Dear designers, imagine if you only had one choice, one kind of music to listen to. One show to watch? One flavor? You get the picture. Without choice, you're stuck in a box. And like this little guy,
You might not even know there's a whole other world on the other side of that glass.
your one-size-fits-all CAD solution would love to be the only game in town. And I'm here to burst that bubble. DraftSight is a proven CAD solution from Dassault Systems, a world leader in design and engineering software. And DraftSight was designed to make you feel right at home. With its familiar interface, common commands, support for legacy drawings and complex objects like dynamic blocks, it's an easy switch from AutoCAD or similar CAD applications. And once you're outside of that box, you'll finally see what you've been missing. The choice is yours.